How to give a lap dance. Set the mood. 1. Wear a sexy outfit. You don't have to look like an exotic dancer to give a lap dance. Just put on an outfit that emphasizes your best features while also letting you move around comfortably. You can wear sporty leggings and a sports top over sexy lingerie, a long dress, or anything that makes you feel sexy. If you decided to combine your lap dance with a striptease, lingerie and mini dresses are good for this purpose. If you wear a garter belt, underwear should be layered on top. High heels make legs look sexy. 2. Play sexy music. Pick some music that is sexy enough to set the mood, but upbeat enough for you to dance to. Practice dancing to it in advance to make sure that it's good for lap dancing, not lovemaking. A typical lap dance shouldn't last more than a minute or two. If you're doing it right, then your partner will want to have you before the first song is over. Still, it's better to be prepared with a few songs just so you don't run out of tunes in the middle of your dance. Here are some sexy songs that are perfect for a lap dance. So Alive by Love and Rocket Skin Trade by Duran Duran, Cream by Prince, Cradle of Love by Billy Idol, Not Enough Time by Inks, Say It Right by Nelly Furtado, Let Me Put My Love Into You by DC, Love Me Like You Do by Ellie Goulding, Wrong by Zayn, Work by Rihanna. 3. Dim the lights. Lap dances are sexier if you're not doing them under garish lights. Turn down the lights in your home, throw a scarf or cloth over your brighter lamps, or even light some candles. The light should be bright enough so that your partner can see you working your body, but not so bright that they can see every little freckle on your face. 4. Pick a sturdy chair. If you want to give a good lap dance, then the chair should be just as important as the one sitting in it. Pick a chair with thick, sturdy legs and a high and reliable back. The chair should also comfortably hold the weight of you and your partner. If you pick a chair that's too flimsy and end up falling over or even breaking it, it'll be hard to recover. 5. Make your partner sit in the chair. Tell your partner to sit down in the chair. They shouldn't sit like they're attending a lecture. They should be comfortable, slightly slouched with their legs spread open a bit. Their body should say, "Hey, come dance on me." We got to the end of the video. Subscribe to my channel and comment a day like me. See you later.